In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Godaddy. Whether you're ready to start your own blog, set up an online store, or even launch a personal portfolio, owning a unique domain name is one of the first steps in establishing your presence online. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Godaddy's official website. Godaddy is one of the largest and most reliable domain registrars worldwide, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you can start searching for your ideal domain name. It's good to have a few ideas handy because the name you want might already be taken. Enter your desired domain name into the search bar and hit the search icon. Godaddy will then display the availability of your chosen name. If your first choice isn't available, don't worry, Godaddy will suggest alternatives or different extensions that might work for you. Take your time to find a name that truly represents your vision. When you've settled on a domain name, click the Add to Cart button. You'll be prompted to confirm your selection and proceed to checkout. Here, Godaddy may offer additional services like web hosting or email plans. While these add-ons can be useful, it's important to consider your immediate needs and budget. You can always add these services later if you decide they are necessary. After reviewing your cart and ensuring everything looks good, it's time to create an account or login if you already have one. This step is crucial because access to your domain will be tied to this account. Fill in the required details, making sure to use a secure password to protect your account. Now, proceed to the payment section. Godaddy accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, providing flexibility for different users. Carefully enter your payment information and review your purchase summary one last time to ensure everything is in order. When you're ready, click on the Complete Purchase button to buy your domain. After the purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email from Godaddy, which includes all the important details about your new domain. It's a good idea to save this email for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully registered your very own domain with Godaddy. Owning a domain is a significant step towards building your online presence, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online journey.